Okay.
A, B, C, D. The word airplane starts with the letter A. Airplane flies in the sky. B. This is a bear. The word bear starts with the letter B. Do 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 do. C. This is the cat. The starts
Cat.
cat starts with the letter C. Do 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 do. D. This is a dog. A dog can bark and wag
It.
its tail. The word dog starts with a letter D. Next, this one I promise. I promise.
E.
E, F, G, H. E. The word elephant starts with the letter E. I like this one.
This what is later.
This one. I like sounds.
Continue.
No, I like sounds.